Hello and welcome to fall. I tried to drag myself back into the studio. You know the story. If you don't, go check the video out up here. I'll link it. Because fall is here, I tried to remember summer, where I had a beautiful trip down to the Europe, Portugal, Madeira, etc. If you don't know about that, go check the videos out on my other channel. I will link it also. So I'm going to put a couple of pages into my travel journal, and I'm probably going to make a future video on a sketchbook travel journal kind of tour. If you're interested in that, please let me know down in the comments, and I will, work on that. Most of my journals and sketchbooks are handmade. This one is no exception. That one is made from a cookbook that I kind of converted into a journal. So cutting out pages and printing out a picture of the landscape from my trip, and stick it in there and work from there. If you want to know more about how I created these journals and what's going on in them, there is a playlist, and I will put that down in the description as well. Also, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, as I'm now back on my in my studio doing more stuff.
thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too
going to finish the spread, the rest of it on the other side there tomorrow. Probably going to do some writing and some thumbnailing or some collaging. We'll see how it goes. Just kind of, you know, you can see where I was and what we did. I'm probably going to do also one other page from more about the ocean and the boats and all that. And I'm moving on to the Lisbon pages. I'm gonna, because we were in Lisbon for a couple days, so I'm gonna definitely put some fun pages in here. Probably one and maybe even two. We'll see how it goes. So make sure you subscribe, and there's some more new videos coming up. I'm also thinking of getting back into Patreon. I had a Patreon page for a while, but I didn't really do much about it with it. But I have lots and lots of paintings that I would like to give away, and so depending on the tier you're going to sign up for, you will receive a painting, big or small. So stay tuned for that. There will be a separate video. I'm not sure, it might be the next video or right after these journal pages. I haven't decided yet. I have to make the video first, of course. So yeah, stay tuned for that too. If you like some original art, become one of my Patreons and you probably will receive a big or small painting depending on your contribution. Yeah, so make sure you stay tuned. I hope you like this video, and make sure you check out the videos up here that are listed, and you have a great day, and I'm so glad you stopped by.